Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a pretty special Chromebook, the new ASUS Flip C436. This is a very premium looking laptop. It has a magnesium alloy body, and my review unit's lid is finished in this extremely attractive aerogel white. When you look closer at the laptop, you can see the precision machined edges, the tapered design, and the deliberate groove that makes it easier to open the lid. And it weighs just 1.18 kilograms. Here's a better look at the Chromebook, which offers a pair of USB-C ports, both generation 3.2 supporting both power and display, a micro SD card slot, and a headphone jack. My review unit is a powerhouse for a Chromebook. It has a 10th generation quad-core Intel Core i5 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte NVMe M2 solid-state drive. Train the integrated fingerprint sensor, and logging into this Chromebook is as fast as placing your finger on the reader. This Chromebook comes with some pretty attractive freebies. That includes a 3-month trial of Google Stadia Pro. Best Buy Canada blog's gaming editor John Scarr can tell you just how much fun that can be. Now I thought I'd take the Flip 436 outside to get a better look at that white aerogel finish. This really is one of the best looking laptops I've had the opportunity to evaluate in 2020, and it's pretty amazing that it's a Chromebook. These devices have come a long way from their roots as a cheap laptop alternative. The Flip C436 is even more portable thanks to the use of ASUS NanoEdge technology that reduces bezels. Because of that, they were able to put a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display in a 13-inch size laptop. It also has an HD webcam if you're going to be video conferencing for work, school, or just to keep in touch with people. The keyboard is full-sized and responsive, with backlit keys for use in dim lighting. The display supports night light mode, which helps to reduce eye strain if you're using the Chromebook at night. Now the calculation of battery life can be a bit wonky. It showed 2 hours and 35 minutes left after its first full charge, but literally 5 minutes later it had recalculated that to nearly 13 hours. It's equipped with a 42 watt-hour battery, and I was easily able to get 8 hours out of it in typical use. Of course, the Flip C436 gets its name from its 2-in-1 form factor. The hinges are smooth, and they hold the display position firmly as it rotates through 360 degrees. The hinge makes this a very versatile device that can be optimized for different tasks. I used it like a large tablet to read the news in the morning. Because this is a Chromebook, you can download and install Android apps and Android games from Google Play. That's where things get interesting. Many of these apps work well in laptop form factor, but the Flip C436 can be used as a tablet, so that gives you the full Android mobile app experience. Sometimes that can be superior, especially with games that were made specifically for touch control. You'll find games, music, and movies sound really good on this machine because this Chromebook is equipped with quad Harman Kardon tuned speakers. The display tilts the body up slightly to improve that audio when it's used in its laptop form factor. Here's what that 10th generation Intel Core i5, 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM, plus the Flip C436's speedy Wi-Fi 6 can do. I have a dozen tabs, all running 1080p video. There's no slowdown whatsoever. Flip into tent mode to make the most of streaming video on that 14-inch Full HD display with 100% sRGB color gamut. If you're considering a Chromebook for your next laptop, but you want a premium experience, you owe it to yourself to check out the ASUS Flip C436. You'll find it along with Chromebooks and 2-in-1 laptops from all the top PC brands at Best Buy. To learn more about the ASUS Flip C436, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.